Ladies and gentlemen, behold a curious sight. Two kittens, both ruled by hunger, yet responding in their own unique ways. On one side, the first kitten, driven by desperation, nibbles at a blade of grass, eyes searching for something more satisfying. A true survivor, testing what nature has to offer, hoping for a miracle in the form of a tastier treat. Meanwhile, the second kitten sits back, mouth wide open in a grand dramatic yawn, as if complaining to the universe, "Where's my meal?" This one knows that patience might bring the real feast, but hunger makes even waiting feel like an impossible task. Different approaches, same struggle, one acting, one waiting, both longing for the moment when a warm bowl arrives, filled with delicious nourishment. And when that moment comes, I assure you, there will be no more yawning, no more grass eating, only pure satisfaction and joyful later pause.